Welcome dear students to the channel Aryabhatta Ganita Club. As we were doing the multiplication, we did the multiplication when both the numbers were above the base and then when both the numbers were below the base. Now in this video I am going to tell you the multiplication when we are having one number above the base and another below the base. Like if I want to multiply 108 with say 94. But here the problem is that when I am going to multiply 108 with 94, now 8 is 108 is 8 more than the base 100 and 94 is 6 less than the base 100. Here when you will have to multiply 8 by 6, you will be getting the sign plus minus minus. Now in this case, what we are doing, we are using a vinculum to signify the minus number in the product and then devinculate at the end. Now what is 4? So we will be getting 4 minus 1, 3. So we are having 4, 2, 3, 1 with bars or vinculum at 2, 3, 1. The devinculated number is 3, 7, 6, 9. Let's take the example 873. Now there is bar at 3. So when we devinculate this number, we will be getting last from 10. We are having 7, 10 minus 3, 7. Then we are having 7. So we will be getting this number 87 will be 1 less. That is we are having 86 because there is no bar after the number 3. We are having bar only at 3 and we use the formula all from 9 and last from 10. Right? Next take another example and below the base. I keep the number here. When we were having bar at 3 only, we are getting 867, right? Now let's take example. I am having 7091 with bar at 1. Let's see all from 9 and last from 10. Now there is one column only at 1. So 1 will be subtracted from 10. We are getting 9 and 709 will be 1 less. So we will be getting 7089. Clear? 7089 we are getting. Let's take some more examples. Here it is vinculum at 1 and 4. These two numbers. So use all from 9 and last from 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Then 1. 9 minus 1, 8. The remaining number is 570. Yes, what it is 573 and we will be getting 572. So this number is devinculated. Now in the next number again we are having bar at 2 and 1. So on 2 will be subtracted from 10. We will be getting 8, 8 and then 57. It is without the bar, so it will be 1 less. That is 5688. Now take another example. 1, 4. These are having bars. So we will be getting here the number 6 and 8. And then after that we are having 1700. So 1 less than it is 169986. So this devinculating, this will be very beneficial to you when you are you are multiplying the numbers when one is above the base and another is below the base. Let's come to our main question now. 108. 108 multiplied by 94. 108 is 8 above the base. 94 is 6 less than the base 100. And we are having plus minus. So our first step that always is 8 multiplied by 6. We will be getting 48. But because this plus minus is minus, so you will be getting vinculate number 4, 8. 4 with venculation sign and 8 with venculate sign. Other rule is same. Either you subtract 6 from 108 or you add 94 to 8. You will be getting 102. So you are getting 102, 4, 8. This number. Now how you devinculated 48. This number will be equal to, subtract 8 from 10, you will be getting 2. Subtract 4 from 9, you will be getting 5. And this number will be 101. So you will be getting 10152. I repeat, 4 and 8 are having venculation. So 8 is subtracted from 10 and 4 from 9. And after that 102 will be 1 less. So it will be 101. So this is our answer. Next example numbers are above and multiplied by 78. You can do it with me. 104. It is 4 less than the base 100. And 78 is 22 less than the base 100. 104 is 4 more than the base, above the base, and 78 is less the base 100. Now when you are multiplying 22 by 4 and the sign being plus and minus, you will be getting 88 with bar at both the numbers. And the next you are getting 104 minus 22 or 78 plus 4. You are getting 82. So when you devinculate the number, this from all from 9 and last from 10, you will be getting 2, 1, and next number will be 1 less. So our answer is 8112. Let's take the special case. We are to multiply 1010 with 976. Now 1010, this number is 10 greater than the base 1000 and 976 is 24 less than the base 1000. Now when you are multiplying this number, you are getting 240 and plus minus minus with vinculum at 2, 4 and 0. And the next digits are 976 plus 10. You are getting 986. Now just look at this. This is a special case when we are having 0 at the last place. 0 with vinculum, but we will not be considering this. Let me show you separately this number. In this case, this number will not be considered at last from 10. We will be taking the last number, the last digit as 4. This 4 will be subtracted from 10, not 0 if we are having 0 at the end. So when we devinculate 240, we will be taking 4 from 10. You are getting 6, 0 as it is. And then next 9 minus 2, 7. And like same case 986 minus 1, you will be getting 985. So again, listen carefully. When we are having the number, if we are to devinculate it and it is having 0 at unit digit, 0 will be taken as it is and the next digit will be treated as we are going to subtract it from 10, another from 9. Other cases are same. So hope this method is clear to you. Try to do the next sum with me. Multiply 104 by 90. 104 is 4 above the base and 90 is 10 below the base. So you will be getting here 40 vinculum at both the numbers and then 90 plus 4 or 100, 0 minus 10, you will be getting 94. And when we devinculate the number, 0 will be as it is, 4 from 10 and there is no next number to be subtracted from 9. 94 will be 1 less. So you will be getting 9360. Clear? You take more examples. First of all, write down the different statements yourself having the base above and below. Then try to solve these questions using devinculation and previous methods of multiplication, and then check your answer from the calculator. You will be surprised at yourself. Hope all the three methods of multiplication are clear to you. Keep on practicing these sums. Wait for the next video. I'll come back with the next sutra. If you have any doubts, still you can ask in the comment box. Thank you. Enjoy doing Vedic mathematics, learning mathematics. Thank you.